Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change wake word for your Amazon speaker. Okay, so first of all we have to open the devices tab on the Amazon Alexa application, select Echo and Alexa, go for the dot, and right now we have to simply go for the gear icon in the right upper corner. Next we have to scroll down and simply go for the wake word. We can switch from Alexa to Amazon.
I can't find Hours and Hours by Muni Long.
Right now we have to wait a little bit. As you can see, the lights has changed to the orange. We can try right now Amazon. As you can see, it's working.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
And that's how you can change this word for your speaker. It's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.